Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to deactivate or delete Facebook account. So first of all, launch Facebook app on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. After that, tap on the hamburger icon at the top left. Once you come here, tap on Settings and Privacy. From here, go ahead and tap on Settings. Now, once you come here, go ahead and tap on See More in Account Center. Now, once you come here, scroll down below and tap on Manage Accounts. Now, over here, you can see your Facebook profile given. On top of that, tap on Manage. Now, over here, tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Now, choose if you wish to deactivate your account or delete your account. So deactivation is temporary, and once you log in to your Facebook account, your account will be reactivated again. However, deletion of account is permanent, so you won't be able to recover your account once you permanently delete it. So tap on any of these options and then tap on Continue. Now, if you have a Facebook page, that will be deactivated as well. After that, tap on Continue. Now, go ahead and enter the password of your Facebook account. After this, tap on Continue. Now, choose a reason for your account deletion or deactivation. I'm going to choose I have another Facebook account. Then tap on Continue. Make sure that you go through all these details before you tap on Deactivate my account. Once you go through all these information, tap on Deactivate my account. And with that, you will successfully be able to deactivate or delete your Facebook account. You can follow the same step by entering your password in order to delete your Facebook account as well. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.